Hey and welcome to my new tutorial about the grid. First of all, why I even created the grid. With the Oxygen Builder, when you create some object, it will auto-generate the ID, but the ID is for the object specific. And when you create some style, it will be applied just to that style. But if you have the multiple objects with the same style, you need to create a class. So let's start with this. What I have from the plugins is the Oxygen Builder, Classic Editor, because I don't like the Gutenberg at the moment, and I have the Easy Populate Post because I created a couple of fake posts. What I done, I went to the settings, library, and added the Oxy Set Grid. Also, I created one empty page that we are going to edit today. When you open the first page and you start with the design, the most important thing is to add all the classes. Let's check what we have at the moment. If you go to manage selectors, we don't have anything at the moment. So let's open the Oxy Set Grid, and there you have all grid classes. When you import this object, it will generate the folder Oxy Set Grid, and inside that grid you will have all needed classes. So after you added the object, you can easily just remove it. Let's check what we have. We still have all the classes. Let's see how does it work. Open the content. Let's take this one for example. Let's see the structure. The structure is section, container, and then the column 1, 2. Let me explain you 1, 2 does it mean. It's per one line you have two columns. It's easy to remember. So inside that, let's add some objects. We can add some basic objects, for example the text. Inside second one we can also add the text, for example. And now let's multiply these objects. Okay, and let's add some basic stylings to it. So we can add border, for example, 5 pixel, solid, voila. It's applied to all the sections. Container, if you see the ID, let's move it to class, so it's applied to all the containers. Let's also add some borders so we can just see what we are doing. And that's it. Stretch it a little. You will see that it applied to all the containers. Let's add a little more of the stylings. Maybe the padding. And that's it. And if you want to have a specific background for just one section, you can do it easily. Just switch from the class to the ID and apply what you need. That's it. Let's talk about responsive grid and how to fix it for a smaller breakpoints. At the moment, when we resize the browser after 9.2 pixel, it will be resized to full width. Let's fix that. First, what you need to do is go to Design Sets and then download the cheat sheet. So we need to fix it below the 992 because default classes are from biggest screen to 992. So what we need to do is copy this one, column 992, 1, 2. So we can just type it, column 992, 1, 2. Then copy this one to all the then save. Okay, resize it, and that's it. You remember that I told you that the classes we can apply to every object, and I really meant that. Let's open the helpers. Let's use the easy post. You guys remember that on the start of the tutorial I said that I created a couple of fake posts as well, so let's use them now. Go to the custom post type, then posts, apply the query. Okay, we have now default one, but let's use the library, then design this, and let's use this one and add the basic elements as well. So let's add the text, sorry, not there, we need it here inside. That's the text, and this one will get the text as well. But as you can see, the padding is not the same as for the grid. Let's customize it a little. Go to the templates, sorry, not here, and instead of the easy post, let's type column and then column 1 3. Apply the code, save it, let's refresh it, and that's it. It have the, sorry, almost, we need to duplicate this one and put the easy posts inside the container, and now that's it. So we have the same structure now. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will enjoy in the OxySet grid and it will be useful for you as it's for me. Goodbye.